Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you exercise 9.1 in that second question. So the question is, a tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 with it. It is what here? Ground. So we will draw figure so that we will understand. So let us take the tree. So here is the tree and it breaks. So a tree breaks due to the storm and broken part. So let us take, it has broken from here and the broken part so that the top of tree touches the ground. So let us take, this is the ground level and top of tree touches the ground. And making an angle 30 with it. Means what? With the ground it makes the angle of 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees. So this is the angle of elevation. So what is asked? The distance between the foot of tree. So distance between the foot of tree to the point where the top touches. So this distance they are given, that is 8 meter. Find the height of tree. So the height of tree will be what? This length plus this length, isn't it? So here we will consider this as a right angle triangle and we will solve. So this plus this. So let us take this as x meter and this as y meter. So x plus y will give you the height of tree. So the same figure we can write as a triangle. So we'll take this broken part to be y meter and this to be unbroken part to be x meter. And this is 30 degree. We'll name this as, so that you will understand. This is AB and this as C. So this AB plus AC will give you the height of tree, isn't it? So we will take here, first let us take the height, total height of tree to be BD. So let us, I'll show you here. Let this, the tree was like this and it has broken so that this part came here, isn't it? So I'll name this as point D. So same I have taken here. So if you find this AC, that will give the AB plus AD. AD and AC is same here. So total this DB is a height. So we will start with the solution. So we will take what? DB is a tree, isn't it? And here we have taken AD as a broken part. AD broken part that will touch the point at C. And the broken part AD is a broken part which touches the ground. So the point on the ground at C. We will take the point on the ground to be C. So this is A, B and here C. This AD that will cut and it will touches at point C. So we will take the point on the ground as C. So here angle ACB. So therefore angle ACB is given, that is 30 degree. And here we will take BC is also given, isn't it? BC is given, that is 8 meter. And AB we have to take as, we will take AB as x meter and AD as y meter. So even this AC will be also y meter because AC is nothing but the broken part. So that will take y meter, that AD equals to AC. So here you need to find out AB and AC. So first we will write what is the total length of tree. So length of tree B equals to x plus y together, and as it is given in meter, so we have to find out the answer in meter. So now we will find out, we have the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC we will see which are the parts we have to find out. We have to find out AB and BC. So we will take the trigonometric ratios where we have the unknown, that is AB, and the known part. So according to this angle acute angle, this is opposite, isn't it? This is opposite, this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent side. So in which trigonometric ratios we have the opposite and adjacent? So we know that in tan we have what? Opposite upon adjacent is a tan. So we'll take, to find out the AB, we will take tan theta, that is AB upon BC. So theta is here 30 degree. So put the value here. So tan 30 degree equals to AB, let us take X here, and BC we know 8. So tan 30 you have to put here. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 equals to X upon 8. So here X will be, X we need to find out. So divide by 8 will go that side. It will be 1 into 8, that is 8 upon root 3 meter. So similarly you have to find out the value of Y here. So take a trigonometric ratios where we have Y. So that is what? Hypotenuse. And we have a adjacent and hypotenuse. Otherwise opposite and hypotenuse you can take, isn't it? Because anyhow we have got X, we have got here X as 8 upon root 3 meter. So you can take the trigonometric ratios where we have the opposite and hypotenuse or adjacent and hypotenuse. So you can take cos also, or you can take sine. So I would like to take here sine. So sine theta, according to this figure, it is what? Opposite, that is AB, upon hypotenuse, that is AC. So remember, you have to take the trigonometric ratios where we have the one known side we should write, and unknown side we have to find out. So sine 30 degree equals to AB, we know that is X meter. So AB is X here, isn't it? So we know the value of X. So you can put here values. So AB value you have to put. So we'll write first as AB X so that there will be no confusion. And AC is what? Our Y. So sine 30 is 1 upon 2 and X is 8 upon root 3 divided by Y. So we need to find out Y. So we'll this divide by Y, we will bring this side. So half, it will be get multiplied into Y equals to 8 by root 3. So we need to find out Y. So this 1 by 2, bring that side. So Y equals to 8 by root 3. Divide by 2 will be multiplied by 2. And into 1 multiplied by 1. When we bring that side, it will be divided by 1. So Y you will get as 8 2s are 16 upon root 3. So X and Y we got. And the question is to find the height of tree. And the length of tree or the height of tree we have taken as X plus Y meter. So we'll add this X and Y. So therefore height or the length you can take height of tree, that is X plus Y meter. So X is 8 upon root 3, Y is 16 upon root 3. So we have same denominator root 3 as it is 8 plus 16. So here we got 24 upon root 3. So here you can see we have the denominator, that is what? Rational number. So there should not be, always remember your answer should be free from the rational number in the denominator. So we will rationalize this root 3 and root 3, because if we multiply with this with root 3, root and root will get cancelled and you will remain with only 3. So 24 into root 3, and root 3 into root 3 will be 3. How? I'll show you here. Root 3 into root 3. So root is nothing but what? Power half into root 3 power half. So base is same. So 3 will be as it is. Half plus half, that is 1. So 3 raised to 1 is nothing but 3. So whenever you have the root and we have the same number inside the root, so that number itself will remain as the answer. So this answer you can keep. So 24 into root 3 divided by root 3. That is, we have the answer in meter. So write the answer in meter. Or else you can here divide. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are. So 8 into root 3 meter. This is the height of tree. I hope you understood this question. So you can watch the video to understand the question.